Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm just doing a review on this Hyper Tough 3/8 inch cordless ratchet I picked up from Walmart. It's good for working on vehicles when you have tight spots. I've used Hyper Tough tools before. They seem to be high quality at a very reasonable price. This cordless one, it's actually pretty heavy in your hand. I was actually surprised by the weight. Just turn it on. It has a LED work light. And it has a power bar that illuminates, which is pretty good. And it's basically just plug and play. There are two tabs on here. You squeeze them. I can't do it with one hand, and you pull the battery out, and then you just plug the charger into the battery and the other end into the wall socket. So it's very convenient. I'm going to do some work on my vehicle, so I'm going to head outside and try this outside and see how it works. Okay, obviously I'm outside now, so I'm going to test out this cordless ratchet. Just a couple of settings on this. This red switch, if it's up, it's on. If it's down, it's off. So obviously we want it on. Behind where the socket goes, there's a switch. If you turn it to the right clockwise, that'll loosen. If you turn it to the left counterclockwise, that'll tighten. So let's try this out now and see how it performs. Wow, came out like butter. So that's pretty good. It does have this extended bar. So if you have to get into a tight spot where you're taking out bolts from your vehicle, you don't have to worry about ripping apart your knuckles with a regular socket and ratchet. This does all the power for you, so it's actually very nice. I'm very happy with it. Like I said before, it's a weighty tool. It seems like it's very well made, and I think I paid $48 at Walmart for this, which is a good deal. So Hyper Tough, I recommend. If this video helped you out, kindly give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.